Hello guys, just want to make a quick video today and show you bike sharing in Shanghai. So bike sharing in Shanghai, I think in China in general, came out in 2016, so it's just about 5 years old. When it just started, there was this huge rush by many companies, and obviously with heavy investment from the government, there were dozens of different choices in Shanghai. So you could see bikes of all kinds of colors pop up just immediately all over the city. And it quickly became a mess. Maybe some of you saw articles from the BBC or the Guardian of like big pile-ups of bikes everywhere, and you know, all those kind of crazy pictures. It has sizzled down by now, so it's less messy, and it pretty much boiled down to 3 main companies that are doing it. So the blue ones there, they're called Hello Bike, very good, nicely made. Then we have the green ones, they're called Qinju. I haven't used them, but they look really well built as well. And the OG, right, in China 5 years is considered OG, OFO, so they have still survived. They're the orange ones. Now today I'm gonna take you for a ride and show you how to use Hello Bike, the blue ones. The reason I like using that one is because it is so easy. All you need is an app, and you don't need to register. It connects automatically to Alipay. If you're living in China, you're gonna have Alipay. Okay, that was a nice little ride, and as you can see, that cost me 2.5 RMB. That is pennies. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.